Now I am going to discuss about the standard input output stream library. It seems to be very easy, but it's not so easy as it looks. Let's start from the output. As we have seen in a number of previous programs, the standard operation for the output is left shift operator, which says say concatenation, append concatenation. We have already seen that how it is applied with this operator for built-in types. For example, consider the built-in types means the types like integer, character, float, double was generally been used, how it's been used, and how it is declared in the library class. Integer x equal to 5, cout, left shift operator x, that is the concatenation operator, append concatenation operator. I say the value of x is appended at the end of the C++ program standard output device, that's the video or the monitor. It will print 5. Let's come to the program. Today there are so many things to discuss about this program. The first thing is the friend. Friend is a keyword. It's very helpful to access the object's data member by a non-member function. That so is a non-member function which can access my class output data member through a object. See how it's returning a.a, that I is the a.I, that I is the data member of the output class. Miss, what is my today's topic is. So as I am discussing about the output, here every program the C++ we include has iostream.h. That header file itself consists two classes, that iostream and iostream. iostream for the output stream. First I am discussing about the output. Output stream is number of bytes to the output. Here I am overloading the left shift operator using the output string object as well as my class of output class object, which will return the value of what are been thrown for the output to display in the monitor or the video. That is the object of the S. Through the show function, that is the friend function, with the object of my output class O, what the show function does, it assigns the same value but is given for the output to the data member of my output class I. As we know, program runs from main. Here we have declared a x object with a parameter value of 1. What it will do, it will call the constructor of the output class, overloading constructor, will help you to assign 1 to its data member I. Now here see in the cout function, there is two left shift operator, and two left shift operator is work two different ways. First one is working as generally as that the double quotes value, within the double quotes value x equals to, the message will be redirected, concatenated or appended to the C++ program's output device, standard output device, to the video or the monitor. And the next left shift operator with the x here, x is the object of the output class. Now left shift operator does not work with an object generally. It's not declared like this in the library class. What it will do, it will call the operator overloading as it is said by x of my output class object, as in the operator overloading function also have a parameter of my output class object. What it will do, it will take the value of the which are to be sent from the C++ program for the output display, and through the show function it will assign the same value. That is a frame function, assign the same value to this data member to display it. Now for the input, that is the iostream input number of bytes. As previously seen, the standard operator for input is write shift operator. We have already applied in it for built-in data types. For example, teacher I C in, so the C++ to the C++ standard inputs buffer standard inputs input to the concatenate appended to the I, the name of the position in the memory location, it reads the value of into I. For an input operation, we will say that the second entry is of reference type, that is the address of the memory. Now let us see the program objection for the input or iostream. Here I have also used the ostream also. The same frame function I have used, show function I have used, and the difference is I have used iostream operator, iostream with the same type things I have done for the ostream also, using my class object O, and I have taken a variable I equal to 0. What I am doing, that is the S. What S is what has been inputted from the standard input device of the C++ program, and it is append or redirected to the variable's position I in the memory address, as we have said. So this write shift operator should be preceded with the reference. If S is not equal to 0, then the O object will get the value through the output I, that is the output constructor, output class constructor I is the value what has been assigned from the standard input device of the C++ program to its data member, to its data member I through the J, and it will return the value of S, that will display the value of S what has been inputted from the standard input device. Now as we know, again program runs from the main function. We have created an object of output class, my output class X. Here C write shift operator X is an object. Generally C does not work with an object, generally works with the different data members, that is integer, float, double or character. Now it's used with my class object X, as it is stated by my class output object. So it will call the overloaded function write shift operator, as you see that in the write shift operator option, write shift operator overloading function. Also parameter I have used the output object. Now here in the C++ input, that is the same as the iostream is responsible for that, iostream class is responsible for that, that is C++ program inputs and the input value from the buffer is been redirected appended to the X object. How it runs? First, through this X object, it will assign the value to the variable I, which has been declared in the iostream operator overloading. Right side operator will use the iostream s and the my output class O object. If it's s. Let's see, while doing this thing also, doing the checking also whether s is not equal to 0 or not. If it is 0, it will not assign. Then through my output class object O, I am calling this out my output class constructor, overloaded constructor, and through J it is assigned to its data member I. And it is returning the value which has been imported from the keyboard standard input device. And similarly, I am use the cout with the left shift, the double quotes message, and with the left shift with the object X. Still, if it is not clear to you, please call me to this number. As I have mentioned, it is 933-2123-217. Again, I repeat, it is 933-2123-217. Thank you for having me.